Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Hola, boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Today I have the new 2 euro tickets. Ruda de Premios and Grande Sorte. All the new tickets guys except the Estrelas de Sorte. Okay? Vamos começar. Let's start. I want to start in Grande Sorte because I only bought one. And I don't prepare which. Okay, it's going I'm going to use. Why is it dark? Is it me or here we're looking for Ferradora and now it's a Folia. Matching number here. We're looking for 30, 22, 24, 28, 30. What's going on with you, Jessica? 28. It's a winner. Okay. 2 euro. Let's hope we can find more. 19, 14, 18. Ay, 28 otra vez. 2. So I'm lucky with this Grande Sorte, guys. Yesterday I won good amount of this ticket. Okay, so I got 4 euro. 28, 2, 28, 2. Okay. Now let's go to Ruda de Premios. Oh no. Prizes on the wheel in English. I have ticket number 45 to 49. Tengo os números 45 a 49. Three like prices, guys. Tres contidos iguais. Okay? Now, there are 6 chances to win. Now, now, 5, 2. Now, 2, 2, 4. Now, 4, 4. No, so this is not the winner. Okay, I will review, but it's not the winner. 49, let's go to 48. 4, 500, 2, 1000, 20, one more 20. Come on, ticket! Ay, 20,000. Not 20, but 20,000. 2, 2, 4. No. 20, 20. Difficult to win in this ticket so far. Yesterday I didn't win anything on this ticket. 50, 50. No. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. Here. Let's hope this is a winner. 5, 5, 20,000. 20, 20. Hey, give me one more 20. Of course not. 20,000. 20,000. 20. Not a winner. I think 2 different letters. If it's a winner, it's a good win. Three in a row. Oh, Lord. It's better I buy the Grande Sorte. It gives money. Oh, what's the odds of winning? 1 in 3. Okay. So Why I don't win? Maybe this is the winner. 1 in 3. 4, 20. De 5, 5, no. 5, 500. Difficult to win in this ticket. I think it's not a winner. No. 2 different letters, okay? 4 in a row. This must be a winner, but €2. 5. Oh Lord, 5 in a row are losers? I bought all the losers, oh Lord. Because it's 2 different letters, guys. So I know it's not a winner. And if it's a winner, it's a good win. But in Portugal, you don't find good win. Always coffee money. So sure, this is not a winner. No. No. So 5 in a row. Losers. Okay? Let's go to Palabras Sorturas. So far, I only have €4. No letra A. In the bonus. Sua. S. No A. Sai. No A. Pila. Diu. No I. Vento. No I. Notro. No N. Okay, so this is not the winner. I don't need to spend 1 hour on this because it's easy to find if it's a winner or not, okay? So it's not a winner. Let's go to Estrellas de Suerte. Okay. Bonus, we're looking for Lua. And it's a diamond. 18.46. 18.46. 13.28. Maybe this is a winner. €5. 13.28. 21.35. 8.25. No? No, 8. No, there's 8. Set 43. 43. No, 7. There's 7. 20.34. 20.34. 22.19. 22. 32.24. Be a winner. Oh no. 2 different letters. 53. This is size. 53. This is size. Last one. 33. 38. No 33, no 38. Of course, this is not a winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. Maybe I missed numbers, but this is not a winner. Let's go to... So far, I have only one win, guys. I bought all the losers. Corintenov, Om, Corintenov, 38, 56, 38, 56, 41, 22, 24, 32, 32, 24, 250, 50, 2, 8, 11, es 32, ¿no? 13, 17, 13, 60, 37, 60, 37, 45, 16, 45, 16, not the winner. Okay, so this is not the winner. Oh Lord, how much I spent there? This 19, 20, 21. I only got €4. Only got €4, guys, out of €21 session. Oh Lord. I got only €4. Okay. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.